Keto bread adheres to the ketogenic diet's core principle of low carbohydrate intake to promote fat burning and weight loss. This specialized bread substitutes traditional high-carb ingredients like wheat flour with low-carb alternatives such as almond or coconut flour. Its rising popularity is attributed to the growing trend of health consciousness and the ketogenic lifestyle, which many believe leads to improved overall health and wellness. Keto bread allows individuals following a strict keto diet to enjoy bread-like meals without compromising their dietary guidelines, thus integrating seamlessly into their low-carb, high-fat dietary habits. Almond flour emerges as the top choice for keto bread due to its low carbohydrate content and high nutritional value. It is densely packed with proteins, healthy fats, and dietary fiber, essential for a ketogenic diet. Unlike conventional wheat flour that spikes blood sugar levels due to its high carb content, almond flour maintains a stable glycemic index, making it suitable for weight management and diabetes control. Its fine texture and mild nutty flavor make it an excellent base for keto bread, allowing those on a low-carb diet to enjoy bread without breaking their dietary regimen. In the absence of gluten from traditional wheat flours, keto bread relies heavily on binding agents like xanthan gum and eggs to achieve the right texture and structure. Xanthan gum, a food additive derived from bacterial fermentation, effectively binds ingredients and mimics the elasticity typically provided by gluten, ensuring the bread holds together. Eggs, on the other hand, offer both structural support and moisture, contributing substantially to the bread's consistency. They also provide additional proteins and nutrients that enhance the nutritional profile of keto bread, making it not only structured but also wholesome. Healthy fats play a pivotal role in the ketogenic diet, especially in keto bread where fats like butter and coconut oil are integral. These fats are not only crucial for achieving ketosis but also improve the bread's mouthfeel, making it moist and palatable. Butter adds richness and flavor, while coconut oil provides a subtle sweetness and antimicrobial properties that can benefit digestion. These fats also contribute essential fatty acids and fat-soluble vitamins, enhancing the nutritional value of the bread. Thus, incorporating these healthy fats not only aligns with keto principles but also enhances the eating experience. To cater to those on a ketogenic diet while still satisfying the palate, keto bread often incorporates natural sweeteners and flavor enhancers that do not spike carb content. Sweeteners like stevia, erythritol, and monk fruit extract are popular as they provide sweetness without the typical sugar-induced carbohydrate load. Additionally, flavor enhancers such as cinnamon, vanilla extract, and various spices are used to enrich the bread's flavor profile without adding unnecessary carbs. These alternatives not only keep the bread keto-friendly but also make it appealing to those seeking a healthier, yet tasty, bread option.